My ideal job. Good night, my name is Luis Antonio Curtido. I study industrial engineering at NAT. Then I will explain what would be my ideal job. Bavaria is the company. I would like the worker, since it is the one of the best companies in Colombia. It should know that it is the best beer company in the country, in addition to being one of the largest in America and ranked then worldwide. Bavaria is the company that highlights the performance and professionalism of the worker, encourages teamwork, and provides a good working environment. In addition, it offers employees adequate facilities for the performance of their duties. Without a doubt, it is the best company to work for because it always seeks excellence, entrepreneurship, and quality in their processes. I would like to earn a salary that exceeds to minimum wages. I also know that I could contribute to this company all my knowledge, and as a good entrepreneur, I now can take advantage of my skills.